So guys, hi everybody, this is the channel of Eurasian Construction Equipment, Planty. Today, I want to talk to you about our EGP series machines, and in particular, about reducing the cost of auger production with our equipment. A little spoiler friends, our machine really reduces the cost of production of auger turns. And this is not empty words, we can confirm them. Let's say we observe production at many. They used large horizontal presses with frequent tooling changes before they switched to our tank. This tooling was a huge part of the cost of production, and the resulting works were not only crooked, but also very expensive, because you had to change the tooling for each geometry. Our technology eliminates this way to young decalvin. Look, here we have flat coils, and our operator produces any geometry on this machine. The tooling is limited, and you can produce absolutely any geometry of coils on one set of tooling. And this tooling, in the production cost, is pennies. Given that a person can literally, make one coil in 1 minute, the tooling on this machine is very, very cheap. This reduces costs. This reduces the cost of production, but, friends, you see here, not only one freak geometry, but let me show you what other freak geometries we have here. And our machines do all of these geometries. Look, here's a variety. Stainless steel, feeder, augers, and you can see that the manufacturing area of these coils, in order to manufacture these coils, is not that big. Roughly speaking, if you have a small room, literally 50 square meters, you can already buy this equipment and fulfill orders. The auger market is very saturated, and screws are used in various niches. There are a lot of them. This is a consumable, respectively. The machine will quickly pay for itself due to the fact that you can make almost everything on it. Any geometry requires a little space. Very cheap cost of production and tooling, and you can make coils in 1 minute. Our record in a shift is 500 coils. Can you imagine, guys, 500 coils in one working shift? Here they are, lying packed. You can make them, friends. Behind me are the GP series machines being tested. This is where we test them after final assembly. You can see that we're making these machines for the warehouse. You'll have new equipment that will be able to make turns at tremendous speeds. You will be able to produce high quality products, and you will not have to constantly replace expensive tooling. And therefore, you will save a lot of money on this, but they will pay for themselves quickly. Therefore, friends, at the link in the description will be a phone number, or you can leave a request there. The manager will call you, and you can buy this equipment. So, I urge you to buy this equipment at the old prices.